How should the hands be folded? The first thing to note is when you say it and you're folding your hands will not go down. They're not going to go down and then fold. There's no pause in between them. You will directly, as soon as you've said the takbir, you're going to directly fold your hands. And how will the hands be folded? So, first thing is, where should we place the hands? On the chest? No, not according to the Hanafi school of thought. According to the Hanafi school of thought, the hands will be placed under the navel, under the belly button. That being, the left hand being placed under the belly button, then the right hand palm will be placed on the back of the left hand, like this. And then with the pinky finger and the thumb, you're going to make a halqa, you're going to make a circle around your wrist. So pinky finger and thumb, you make a circle around the wrist, and these remaining three fingers, they will be spread on the forearms. So that is the sunnah method. So right hand palm, back of the left hand, circle with the pinky finger and the thumb, and these three fingers will be spread on the forearm. And then, like we said, below the belly button. Some people put it above, no, below the belly button. Some people put their hands like this. So this correct method is for us to make that halqa.